Very special ang awitin na yan sa puso ni Coach Sarah.
Ewan ko po. Okay. Focus tayo sa sa performance. Ang sarap-sarap ng ninyong pakinggan at panoorin. Although, meron talagang nag-stand out talaga sa inyong dalawa. Para sa akin si Zaira yan, nag-stand out.
Thank you po.
Dahil sa laki ng kanyang paggaling mula sa blind audition niya hanggang ngayon, this is who I have to pick. I'm picking Zaira.
Thank you po. Si Coach Bambi
Yes.
naman.
Nakita ko nga sort of that aura, yung parang friendship niya. It is like BFFs, you know? Like parang ganun yung pakiramdam. So good job, guys. Pero if I had to pick one nga, moving forward, it would be Zaira.
But the most important decision will be coming from your coach, Coach Sharon.
First of all, I want to say, si Ashley, she's really improved a lot. Si Zaira naman, I am so thankful, hindi siya umover sa ad-libs. Ang lumabas lang, yung nai-imagine ko bang parang she really found a special love in him like you know? I want to thank you, but I am choosing